Welcome to Shree Learning Academy. Our today's topic is VPN, Virtual Private Network. So let's get started. Introduction to VPN. Imagine the internet is a big, busy highway where everyone can see what you're doing in your car. A VPN is like a special tunnel that only you can drive your car through, and nobody else knows what you're doing inside that tunnel. It makes your internet use more secure and private. Now, let's get into the details of how this all works. VPN concentrator, the traffic controller. Think of the VPN concentrator like the main control center for a toll highway. It's a piece of hardware that helps many cars, in our case, data connections, to get into the right lanes, that is, secure tunnels, at the same time. So, if an organization has many employees who need to use the VPN concentrator makes sure everyone can do so securely and efficiently. Types of VPN, remote access versus site-to-site. Remote access VPN. Imagine you're working from home and you need to access your company's private files. A remote access VPN allows you to connect to your company's network as if you were there in person. Site-to-site VPN. Now, let's say there are two branch offices of a company in different cities, and they need to share information. A site-to-site VPN would connect the entire network of one office to the other. It's like a special secure highway only for these two offices to send stuff to each other. IPSec, the secure method to travel. IPSec is like the set of rules and checks that make sure only authorized cars are entering the secure highway, VPN. It uses something called symmetric encryption to scramble your data, so only someone with the right key can unscramble it. Here's how it adds layers of protection. Symmetric encryption, think of it as a secret code known only to you and the VPN server. IKE for key exchange, this is like changing the secret code occasionally for extra safety. AH and ASP for security, these are extra checks at the toll booth to ensure each car is legitimate. Tunnel versus transport mode, how much to encrypt. Imagine your car is carrying a trailer with a message on it. Tunnel mode, in this mode, both your car and the trailer, your data and the details about where it's going, are hidden under a cover. Transport mode, only the trailer, your data, is hidden, but everyone can still see the car, details about where the data is going. AH and ASP, layers of security. Authentication Header, AH. Think of AH as a tamper-evident seal on a bottle. It makes sure that the message has not been changed during the journey. Encapsulating Security Payload, ASP. ESP is like putting your message in a safe. It ensures that the message is both sealed, integrity, and no one but the recipient can open the safe, confidentiality. Split tunnel versus full tunnel, your choices for routing. Split tunnel, imagine that while driving through the secure tunnel, you could still stick your hand out to grab a coffee from a regular roadside stand. You're using the VPN for some stuff, but not for everything. Full tunnel, in this mode, everything you do is inside that secure tunnel. Even if you want a coffee, it's got to be from a secure, approved shop inside the tunnel. TLS, Secure Communication for Websites. TLS is like a cousin of IPSec, but it's mainly for secure web communication. So when you see HTTPS in your browser, it's TLS that's ensuring the site you're visiting is secure. Always on VPN, full-time security. Imagine if, every time you started your car, you were instantly on the secure highway. That's what always on VPN does. As soon as your device connects to the internet, it also connects to the VPN, providing constant security. Conclusion: why VPN matters. So, whether you're an individual wanting to keep your web surfing private, or a large company needing to secure data across many devices and networks, VPNs offer the secure highway you need for your digital travels. By understanding these terms and how they fit into the bigger picture, you can make informed decisions about your own online security needs. And there you have it. Hopefully, this gives you a good basic understanding of what a VPN is and the different terms and technologies involved. Remember, in today's world, you can never be too secure when it comes to your online presence. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do check out the written explanation on our website and don't forget to take this quiz based on this video, the links are in the description box below. Subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos. If you have any doubts, do let us know in the comment section and we will try our best to solve them for you. For private coaching, do contact us by visiting shreelearningacademy.com or on WhatsApp. See you in the next one.